Mr. Chima, the greater Lagos Wise man, the Babajide governor, in your hands, please give it up as we now welcome Mr. Project, Mr. Sanwo-Olu, the man at whose time Lagos keeps moving from strength to strength, glory to make some noise and welcome our own executive governor of Lagos State, Mr. Babajide.
Thank you. Mama. Is it not nice? Is it not nice? Is it not the people who are here? Huh? Don't they look beautiful and handsome? Don't they look like future leaders? Huh? So give yourself a big round of applause. Mr. Governor, representative of the First Lady, Tutor General, and thank you very much for the words of encouragement, especially Mama Wapa. Thank you very much, Mrs. Cecilia Babajide, Permanent Secretary, especially Uyemi Sanwo-Olu. Wapa, thank you very much. All of the government agencies that are here, NASDAQ, the Government Trust Fund, and all of you, thank you very much. To our teachers and our lecturers and our coordinators in all of our skill acquisition center, thank you very much. This kind of commission, you can see they are all well attired and they are well dressed. Thank you very, 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 very much. Thank you. You are the reason why we are here, because you led in all of the directors of Wapa. Thank you very much. You are being all women in Wapa. And thank you very much. Thank you. Thank you. All our partners, Stanbic IBTC and the rest, thank you very much for coming. Thank you. To all thank God that we are all able to come out here this afternoon. Gentlemen of us, we are not forgetting you. Thank you for giving it a good coverage. We are hoping that you can also have televised for us. But you see all of the great young male and female, all of the great youth in our country, what your government is doing to support them. I'm delighted to be here today, one, because every government twice started 4 years ago to reach the graduation of 4,002 graduates from our various skills acquisition center. This initiative to ensure that poverty, population, improvement of life for our citizens. That is one of the main governments. To alleviate poverty, to create unity, to make life meaningful for its citizens. Is what we're using that. So today, seeing that they are not the average of about 4 or 25 of applause. This government today, it doesn't matter, it doesn't have gone to an high school, but you might skill that is needed entrepreneurial for you to have the skill to things for you. That's not graduates or because the white collar jobs are not there. We have to create those centers and ask you what can you do with your what innovate your thinking, what can you with your strength that is business driven. It's not a group that is practical, that you can feel, that you can touch, and you can give and opportunity to your family. And we are happy that we've been able to that with all kinds of knowledge to 100 of you. And that learning a profession truly proud of. Fashion designer, you are designing. If you are catering very, very well. If you are an expert, you are becoming a tech expert. Skills that you are I can be self-made, I can develop and embrace the power of my standard of living. I think we need to give Wapa another round of applause. Because we know that it opportunity like this as a that we can create wealth among our nation, we can create wealth in our state, and we can give you a belief for tomorrow. We can give you a belief that with your own hand, with your knowledge, you can use funds and have left because we can bring 50, 40 of them. But we just want to showcase 2, 3 are wearing what they sow. Some of them are employed. Some of them are ones that are feeding their family and saying, that's how I work. Mr. Death came out and said that I'm looking at all of you. We're trying to take a picture, trying to ensure that I'm in your picture. I feel excited. But so that opportunity that was given to you, use it well. Use it correctly. Use it to empower yourself. Social media is good, it's empowerment, and we're training and teaching people even on how to upscale opportunities on social media. But also, there are other skills that were given to you. There are other training that was given to you. And so, let it count. What do I say? Let it count. Let there be from your simple little drops, let come to a mighty ocean. And because you need to believe in yourself. You need to be able to say to yourself, me, Babajide, I can do it. Me, Modina, me, Sekina, me, Biotu, me, Angela, I can do it. And so, never get scared of the first attempt that appear as if it failed. No. It could be your first wedding cake that you are baking, and it has not come exactly well. You should learn from that experience. You should learn from that mistake and make sure that you can put yourself together and do the next one better than the last one. You should not get defeated. You should not get discouraged. You should and say that I'm a good caterer. I'm not a good baker. I'm not a good fashion designer. Your friend is not necessarily your best one. But each time you learn from it to yourself, I'm going to be a better person the next time. That's how success is happening. There are no shortcuts to it. There are no shortcuts to success. You must persevere. You must take on it. You must believe in yourself. And you must motivate yourself and be a better person. I can do it. I can be better tomorrow than I am today. I can be better next week than I am this week. And once you continue to say that, then begin to see that indeed you are on the path to ensure that possibility of the people. There's 19 of them that are with me here. I'm told we're the best that came out from all of the center. Let's give them a round of applause. They are the best today. They don't mean that you cannot be richer than them tomorrow. Hello? Yes. They are the best today. It doesn't mean you cannot overtake them and be better tomorrow. But we need to show as an example one thing that they put all of their mind, they put all of their attention to it. It doesn't make you any less a better person than them. Because what you should do is to use them as a challenge. By next year, come and see. Wapa. By the year after, come and see. You will take. Because will be healthy competition amongst yourself. It will be healthy competition amongst yourself. And one other thing that I want to tell you is keep in touch with yourselves. Keep in touch among yourselves. Check what the other person is doing and learn from each other. Discuss what the mistakes you have made from the skills you have learned. Discuss what you have learned and the mistakes and the opportunity you see, so that your fellow colleague does not go to mistake again. Set among yourself, you want to do a small competition, 5, 6 of you. Let's see who comes up with the best design. It's healthy. And so that is which all of the things, the time we are putting this thing, is not waste. Please, Wapa and government have put resources together. They've given you this training free of charge. They've given you this old skill free of charge. Please don't let us put it to waste. Because indeed, you are the future that we're looking forward to. You are the leaders of tomorrow that we're talking about. And don't feel any little of yourself. Because once you can say to yourself that I can be who I am, I can be at the time, then you are to ensure that happens to you. Of course, like I said, of course, the road might not be, that's why we're trying to, of course, finance might not be 100% there. That's why we're trying to generate it and we're trying to continue to support you. Mr. Deputy Mayor, we also set up that ministry to handhold you so that they also can provide for you. The government calls for is so that they can provide support for you. So we're not going to leave you alone. We're not just going to throw you out there and let you fail. But you need to be able to help us. You need to tell us that for the future that life has thrown at you. And that for me is the most important thing. It's not the ground you are wearing today. Advocate, you can be a good ambassador of the training that you have gotten. You can be a good person to be proud of the skills and how you are learning. So that when we are doing small scale, show and exhibition, you can come up and say that I want to take a stand. I want to come and exhibit and show to Lagos State that support to show what I've developed, what I've learned, what I've seen in the last couple of years that I've supported. I want you to leave this place. Say to yourself that I'm going to be a better person. I'm going to be a better citizen to Nigeria. I'm going to be a better daughter or son to my parents, spouse, to either my husband or to my wife. Because it's only when we can begin to build a better nation, that we build a better society for ourselves. And so as your governor, I feel encouraged to want to ensure that by the time we are doing next year, we can double this number. Is to ensure that we give more support to all of your teachers, your lecturers, your supervisors, so that they can continue to do that best which they are doing. And you can be a source of inspiration for us to do it. The Commissioner for Wapa also just mentioned to me that we're turning one of our centers down the road here. We're also turning, because we just finished another building here, we're turning one of the floors here to a digital hub again. We're in a digital age, just down the road here at Agility. We're turning it to a digital hub, and she has said to me that there's also an opportunity for a short 4 weeks training. It's not for you, it could be for your sibling, it could be for your friend, it could be for, so that you get in touch with them. They said, another, that will also help people in that space. And they have also said to me that the micro enterprise support initiative, that is also coming up soon. So our empowerment is not only for you, it's also for people that are even elderly, that are older than you, but they need government support to be able to do more. And that's all we're here. And so I don't want to leave this place feeling less of themselves, feeling ashamed of themselves, feeling less of what goes for you. And please, say everywhere, let it be known everywhere that what the opportunity is the best in choosing life of it. Are you going to do that for me? I'm sure that this class of 452 will not receive back. You will move forward. You will continue to look forward. You will continue to aspire forward. And you continue to better person, a better person, a better, so that in 6 months' time, you also have 2 people working. In 1 year's time, you have 6 people working for you. You have become a business owner. You have become an employer of labor. You have become a staff. And that's how development happens everywhere in the world. It's small businesses that grow to the big business. You read the story of Microsoft. It started from garage. It found a garage. It didn't have anything. And so that's the story of every one of you. I want you to take back. I see faces of people that want to tackle. I want to make the world a better place. And that's what you need to lead this place with. Knowing fully well that the opportunity out there is for a person that is most hungry to take it up. As I round up, let me congratulate your parents if they are here. Let me congratulate Wapa. We don't expect anything less from you. Let me congratulate all of our instructors and coordinators. Let me congratulate all of you. Let me congratulate what you are about to unleash, the potential that is in you, that you are going out there to change and to take over. And let me say, youth and women is one of the cardinal principles that this administration will not be found short in. Because I will give you that commitment again that year on year we will continue to ensure that we give you this opportunity, to give you this space, to give you this platform, to give you a sense to believe that indeed your tomorrow is better than. Thank you very much again. All the best. And I want to say that indeed it's been a very thank you.
And please, Mr. Governor, I would like for you to stay for a group photograph with the graduates, after which we'll have a presentation of certificates also. After the group photograph,
we have been saying it that he will do presentation.
Solo. Mr. Governor, sir, will seek indulgence to a member of our boss as consulate. And she's also to be presented with other conclusions from our center. Fashion design and dressmaking. Babajide Center, Okoyemo Aderomi. The next from the center, Adeshela Konaji Emmanuel, photography. We also have from the Bella Center, Obaki Yunimota Abuke, hairdressing and cosmetology. Catering and hotel management, we have the center, Olatuboso Blessing. Olatuboso Blessing. From Iba Center, Olapade Payas. Fashion design and dressmaking. Fashion design and dressmaking. With the Jewelry Center, we have Sanwo-Olu, patron of the tournament from Ikorodu Round Center. Ikorodu Center arrived at Kano, Kogi, Urotimi, for protest palace. Adding as education is also paid by Wapa Akanu and Bigore from the Western Center. The Shani Center, they have the Musuwato, Pekpa, and Mayo, everything.
Your name. Olabodi what?
Ikorodu, member of the Baker from the Shani Center, design and dressmaking. Still on top of design and dressmaking, we have Obusi, Idris, and Tinubu, the Lagos Island Center. Most center, we have a motor here at the Lazard parking. And the next position of the center, Olu and Oyemi also parking. We know the design our heads very well. Currently with the Lagos Scholars. Sanwo-Olu Center, Bakari, Ikmat, Yejime, fashion design and dressmaking. And the last on my list here, postulates, identity into eyeshares of the UBC, patron and the town management. So after as presented the certificates, we now have the presentation of the tools by other dignitaries also present.
So let them stay, please. Can you stay behind your tools for photograph?
Stay behind your tools.
For photograph,
For
please.
you to know that the Lagos State government is keen on empowerment and is not a word of the lead. We can see the postgraduate students of the year 2022. Thank you so much, Mr. Governor. Mr. Governor, thank you so much for your time, sir. We appreciate you. Thank you for coming along. Okay, let's have the date of place on the board background. Mrs. I think the right for what I did. I need that please. On the board background. Please, if you have been given a certificate and a